Hello, this is Marvin McKenzie. Just thought I would give you a little bit of a rundown. I just downloaded onto my MacBook Pro the eSword X for Apple. I've been using eSword. I've been using Windows Parallel on my Apple Mac here at MacBook, and just switched to the eSword X, and it's different. I've got some issues, learning curve. Heck, everything with the Mac is for me, it's a learning curve. So one of the problems that I was having had to do with how to highlight passages. I like to do a lot of highlighting in my own devotions and passages, and so it wasn't able to figure out how to do it. And I looked on the line and online. There was one video that they recommend for it, but wasn't helping me a whole lot. And so I had to do some figuring and some looking to figure this out. First thing that I needed to do is I had to go over to my trackpad, and I had to tell it that I wanted it to click on right bottom power, because you're going to need to be able to use a right click button to be able to highlight anything with this. So then once I've got it on right click button, I can highlight, or I can um, select a passage real easily. Then what you do is you've got to go to your control button down on your keypad. You go to the control button, you push it down, and then you can click on your mouse pad, and it gives you the opportunity to highlight a verse. And there you go. And so anyway, not quite as easy as the other program as it is on Windows, I don't think, but it's doable. We can make it work, and so glad to have it. And this is Marvin McKenzie. I hope this is helpful to you.